In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to the taskbar. This will make accessing your calendar quicker and more convenient right from the bottom of your screen. To get started, open up Google Chrome and navigate to your Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so that you can see your calendar updates and schedules. Once you're on your calendar page, the next step is to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Look towards the upper right corner of the browser window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now scroll down this menu until you come across an option labeled More Tools. Hover over this choice, and you'll see another side menu pop up. In this new menu, you'll find an option that says Create Shortcut. Click on it. At this point, a small pop-up window will appear, asking you to name your shortcut. You can keep it simple by naming it Google Calendar or My Google Calendar. Having a consistent name will help you recognize it quickly in both your taskbar and desktop. After you've chosen an appropriate name, hit the Create button. Now, the shortcut has been successfully created and added to your desktop. The next step is to pin this shortcut to your taskbar for even easier access. Locate the Google Calendar shortcut either on your desktop or in the Start menu. Once you've found the shortcut, right-click on it, which will bring up another menu with several options. Look for Pin to Taskbar in the list and click on it. By doing this, you are instructing your computer to keep this icon visible and easily accessible on your taskbar, which is located at the bottom of your screen. And there you have it. You've now successfully added Google Calendar directly to your taskbar, allowing for one-click access to your schedule and appointments. This process not only saves you time, but helps keep your workflow efficient, particularly if you find yourself frequently checking your calendar. With it pinned to your taskbar, there's no need to open a browser and navigate multiple tabs just to see your schedule. If you ever want to remove the calendar from your taskbar, simply right-click the icon again and select Unpin from Taskbar. This action will remove it, but remember, the desktop shortcut will still be there unless you decide to delete it. Whether you're organizing meetings, planning a vacation, or just trying to keep your life on track, having quick access to your Google Calendar can be a real game changer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.